In our education and outreach program, we have a Wildlife Warriors project where we involve young generation from as young as 8 years old to university level in citizen science in hands-on conservation activities. This year, we had an opportunity to come participate for the Great Grevy's rally here in Mpala, Nanyuki, Laikipia area. We felt that it's good for the kids also to come and interact with scientists, conservationists, teachers, other young people as well from this region in doing citizen science and also participating in this great photo safari.
25, there's one hiding, 26. 26 on this side.
Having children as part of this process is really exciting. Is really exciting for us, and the excitement of the kids is contagious.
We have scientists working with volunteer citizens from Nairobi. We have school kids, especially the ones WildlifeDirect brought from Nairobi up to Laikipia. We had kids from our conservation clubs in Mpala and Laikipia working with the children from Amboseli. We mixed them together. Everybody from different tribes, different cultures got to know each other. And so this year, one of the reasons we're doing the rally again is to see if the numbers that we had the last time around 2 years ago have stabilized. Has the population stayed constant? Has it declined? And if it has declined, are there enough recruits to be able to replace the adults that disappeared? So this census is really valuable to see how resilient the population is in the face of human disturbance. And we have software that allows us to identify every zebra by its stripes. Every animal is naturally barcoded. Very much like every individual has a unique fingerprint, every zebra has a unique distribution of stripes and stripe types on its body, which allows us, by our algorithms, the software inside the computers, to identify every individual uniquely.
The fact that you can really contribute high quality data just by being able to take a picture of an animal, that democratizes science. That really enables people to be part of the scientific process. But kids ask the best scientific questions. So through this ability, not only to take a picture, but to really sort of, through the images, being involved in the entire view of a species, allows kids to be not only part of the data collection for science, but the quest, the inquiry, true scientific inquiry, and that's exciting. That's really incredible.
For us, we felt that this is great and also involving the young generation while they're still young in doing citizen science activities, encouraging them about nature, environment. It helps them to take initiative, to play a very key role, and also they also pledge also to be advocates of our environment and also our wildlife.
We have seen a lot of giraffes and Grevy zebras are so a lot than we saw giraffes. On Saturday first we saw many giraffes, and yesterday we saw a lot of crazy zebras.
The experience that came here, it was so very fun that we saw many wild animals and even the gravies and the plains. But the mountains, they say that they are not found in Kenya.
We learned about the Grevy zebra. We saw them. We even took photos and it was fun. And we learned more. We also saw giraffes, we saw elephants, we saw antelope, oryxes, impalas. It was good and we learned a lot.
In fact, it has expanded the minds of the kids because they have seen the animals physically. They usually see them just in the books and even drawings, but they have seen them physically.
We want to be the platform that International Unit on the Conservation of Nature uses for keeping track of the endangered species.
It's been a wonderful weekend full of enthusiasm. Kids have had a great time. They've discovered, they've learned, and in that process also they had an opportunity to have fun because they've interacted with schools from Mpala Academy, from Laikipia, and we believe now that they're going back home, they'll take with them what they've learned here.